Hello guys, I'm just hereby going to give you my own opinion about the Watercolor Pro hair cutting machine. And unfortunately my experience with this thing hasn't been too good. As you can see here, well, this is Amazon, okay, and it was delivered December the 21st of 2016, and here are other few things that I bought as well, but as you can see, it's right there, okay? And today, what date is it? January the 4th. So I've had it roughly for a couple of weeks, okay? And I've used it like maybe 3 times, roughly. So anyway, I'm just gonna demonstrate here why it's not doing too well anymore, okay? So here it is, the start button. It's on. I don't know if you can hear it. I've already used it. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a good angle. So I've already started here, as you can see. But let's try another area. Like, what should I pick? Right there? I don't know if you can see. Like, it's not cutting. It just hurts. If I do this, I don't know if you can see. It's not cutting. That is crazy. And I've only had this thing for 2 weeks. It's not even cutting. I mean, the plug is in, and there's nothing wrong with the plug. I mean, I've used my shaving machine on there and everything, so I don't know what's going on. So yeah, I don't know if I can have this return or whatever. I'll see what I can do, but still very disappointed. Very disappointed.